For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
US-China tensions over the South China Sea have drastically escalated. Beijing has fired 4 medium-range ballistic missiles into the waters of South China Sea. China has fired an aircraft carrier killer into the South China Sea in a warning to the United States. China has launched one intermediate-range ballistic missile, DF-26B, and another medium-range ballistic missile, DF-21D. The DF-26B is capable of hitting moving targets at sea, making it an aircraft carrier killer. The missile can carry conventional or nuclear warheads and is capable of launching precision strikes on land and sea targets. Meanwhile, the DF-21D has been described as an anti-ship ballistic missile system. The DF-21D is meant for attacking moving ships at sea. The missiles landed in the sea in an area between Hainan Island and the Paracel Islands. In response, US Defense Chief Mark Esper said China has failed to keep up their promise to abide by international laws. US Navy Admiral Scott DeCon said China has the right to do so until they abide by international norms.
As long as they are doing it in accordance with international law and norms, they have every right to do so. US is ready to respond to any threats in the region and said, if all militaries operate professionally, you can have the same ships in the same water space.
Meanwhile, US Secretary for Commerce Wilbur Ross slammed Beijing for escalating tensions over South China Sea.
The United States, China's neighbors, and the international community have rebuked the CCP's sovereignty claims to the South China Sea and have condemned the building of artificial islands for the Chinese military. The entities designated today have played a significant role in China's provocative construction of these artificial islands and must be held accountable.
According to reports, a US U-2 spy plane had reportedly entered a Chinese designated no-fly zone on Tuesday without permission. The US spy plane reportedly entered the no-fly zone during a live-fire naval drill conducted by China. In a related development, US Secretary of State Mike Pompeo said US will begin imposing visa restrictions on Chinese. Restrictions will be imposed on those responsible for large-scale reclamation and militarization of the South China Sea. The escalating tensions come as Trump administration is taking a tougher stance on China. Trump has used China as a key element in his presidential fight against his rival candidate, Joe Biden.
Chinese state media and leaders of China want Biden to win the US election. If this happened, which it won't, China would own our country, and our record-setting stock markets would literally crash.
Tensions between US and China have risen, especially after Trump's tough stance on banning Chinese apps and companies.